Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to load or unload the micro SD card from your GoPro to get your pictures or your videos into your computer or phone or tablet. So it's very simple. You have your GoPro here. This is the GoPro Hero 8. Basically, you go to this side where it says 8. That's not the side you want. You want this other side with no numbers. You have to put your fingernail there and slide down, and you'll see a little red tab coming in. And you basically lift this up. Once you lift it up, you can even remove this door if you wanted to, and you'll see the micro SD card is just inside there. So you have to push it in, and then when you push it in, it kind of releases out. So push in and it comes out. It's much easier without the battery. These little cards are really small, so you want to be careful with them when you're loading them. You don't want to do it maybe somewhere where it can get, lost or dropped or something like that, or wet. So be sure to take a large memory card. This one's a 32 gigabyte. I highly recommend 64, 128 gigabyte little cards, so you have more storage while you're out, and you can change it at home when you're safe and dry and not in the middle of action. So yeah, to insert it, very simple. You want to see the logo when you are looking at the back of the screen, and you slide it into this little canister, and basically you just push inside, and you should hear it click, but it's hard to get on the microphone. And then you have your memory card inside the camera to shoot some more footage. If you want to put your battery door again in, it's very simple. You just have to click it in there, push it down, and once we push it down, just close it there. You don't want to see that little red color on the bottom indicator, and that's it. That's how you change the micro SD card. I'll leave a link below for micro SD cards that I recommend for this camera. You need a pretty fast one for 4K video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.